Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share your location on iPad mini 7th generation. In order to make sure that you can actually share your location with anybody else, you want to go to the settings, tap on your name in order to go to Apple account settings, and then go to Find My. And over here you have Share My Location. You want to tap on the switcher in order to turn this option on. However, you should also enable location services to be able to actually share your location. If you don't know how to find location services, in the settings you can scroll down and then over here go to privacy and security, and then over here you have location services and also share my location once again. So this is another way to enter the same settings as before. Once this share my location option is enabled, you should be able to find or make the iPad discoverable in different scenarios, like if you share your location with someone else, then of course they can know where you are. And also this should work for you if you want to find your iPad on different devices, if you want to, for instance, find it on your iPhone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.